Hi viewers, welcome to Health Simplified. As in the last video we discussed about female infertility, today we'll discuss about male infertility. It refers to a male inability to cause pregnancy in a fertile female. In humans, it accounts for 40 to 50% of infertility. Decrease in sperm count is a major cause in male infertility. There can be oligospermia, which is nothing but low sperm concentration, or asthenospermia, which is poor sperm motility, or teratospermia, which is abnormal sperm morphology. Other factors include seminal volume and other seminal markers of epididymal, prostatic, and seminal vesicle functions. As men age, these variables are impacted and correlate with the decreased fertility rate. That is, as the men age, the function of the sperm also decreases. There are a lot of drugs which leads to infertility. They include chemotherapy drugs, some types of antibiotics, spironolactone, cimetidine, nifedipine, and sulfa group of drugs. Cigarette smoking plays a major role in infertility. Smoking damages the sperm, making them less likely to fertilize the eggs and making the embryos unable to survive. Free radicals formed during smoking can cause sperm DNA fragmentation as well as issues with sperm motility and fertilization, thereby decreasing the fertility rate. Environmental toxins and chemicals can also cause infertility. Exposure to pollutants has been associated with increased sperm DNA fragmentation, chromosomal abnormalities, impaired spermatogenesis, abnormal sperm morphology, and decreased sperm motility, thereby causing decreased fertility. Heavy intake of alcohol affects the fertility by lowering the testosterone levels, follicle stimulating hormone levels, and the luteinizing hormone levels, and also by raising the estrogen levels, which reduces the sperm production. There can also be shrinking of the testes, which can cause impotence or infertility. Changing gonadotrophin levels impacts the sperm productions, thereby causing infertility. Alcohol intoxication can also cause poor sperm quality, thereby affecting the fertility rate. Overuse of drugs and use of abusive drugs can affect the sperm production and its quality in men. Endocrinal disorders also contribute to infertility in males. The thyroid disorders, hyperprolactinemia, and excess cortisol production should all be considered when assessing the endocrinal causes for infertility in male patients. The ejaculatory functions, impaired spermatogenesis, and erectile dysfunction can also lead to infertility. Men working in professions with increased temperature has decreased fertility rate. Bakers, workers in kitchens, welders, furnace workers, ceramic workers are at risk for infertility as the increased scrotal temperature impairs the sperm production and their functions. There may be failure of spermatogenesis and loss of libido. There can also be impairment of fecundity as a result of disturbance in the hormonal imbalance or the nervous system. Impotence plays a major role in infertility. Diabetes can interfere with the nerve signals. Arthrosclerosis, that is, hardening of the arteries, can reduce the blood flow, thereby affecting the fertility rate. Peripheral neuropathy, spinal cord injuries, and surgeries can damage the nerve endings. problems in your relationships, feeling of guilt associated with sex, depression, anxiety, and the stress levels can also lead to erectile dysfunction. There is something called as retrograde ejaculation, in which the semen enters the bladder instead of emerging through the penis during orgasm. Although you still reach the sexual climax, you might ejaculate very little or no semen. This is sometimes called as a dry orgasm. Retrograde ejaculation isn't harmful, but it can cause male infertility. There is a specific association between the increase in scrotal temperature and the quality of sperm produced that may lead to infertility. So, try to avoid tight pants and undergarments which can affect the fertility rate. By now, we have discussed the general causes, female causes for infertility, and male causes. Now, try to find out what may be the cause of your infertility and try to get it rectified by yourself or by your gynecologist. Wishing you a happy pregnancy. Hope this was an useful video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.